Hello, everybody. Imagine this. The woman you love, who once couldn't get enough of you, now seems distant, perhaps even involved with someone else. The pain is unbearable, and every attempt you've made to win her back has only pushed her further away. But what if there was a way to reignite that passion, to make her see you as the man she can't live without? Introducing 21 psychological triggers to make her beg you for a second chance. This comprehensive guide delves deep into the female psyche, revealing the hidden reasons she left and providing actionable strategies to rekindle her desire for you. If you're ready to transform your relationship and become the man she can't resist, click the link in the description below to get your copy now. Breakups often leave men in a state of confusion and despair, wondering where things went wrong. Traditional advice, like sending flowers, writing heartfelt messages, or making grand gestures, often falls flat, leaving you feeling even more hopeless. This is because these methods don't address the core psychological triggers that influence a woman's emotions and decisions. 21 psychological triggers to make her beg you for a second chance uncovers these hidden dynamics. It explains why she really left, teaches you the secret reattraction triggers that can make her obsess over you again, and guides you through the no-contact strategy that turns her cold silence into desperate longing. By understanding and applying these principles, you can avoid common pitfalls and start rebuilding the connection from a place of strength and insight. At its core, this guide satisfies a deep-seated desire, the yearning to be truly understood and valued by the woman you love. It doesn't just offer surface-level tactics, it provides a profound understanding of female psychology, allowing you to connect with her on a level that few men ever achieve. You'll learn how to decode her cryptic messages and social media posts, erase the other guy from her mind, even if she's already seeing someone new, and reignite her emotional hot buttons that make her ache to be in your arms again. Imagine becoming the man she can't stop thinking about, the one she compares all others to, and ultimately the one she chooses above anyone else. This guide empowers you to become that man, fulfilling the desire to reclaim lost love and build a relationship that's stronger than ever. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Thousands of men have already transformed their relationships using the insights and strategies found in 21 psychological triggers to make her beg, give you a second chance. With a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Take control of your love life. Understand the deeper dynamics at play, and watch as she becomes irresistibly drawn back to you. Click the link in the description below to purchase your copy today and embark on the journey to winning her heart back.